Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you Windows 10 adding Notepad as a shortcut on desktop. So guys, if you want to Windows 10 adding Notepad as a shortcut on desktop, so very easy. First click on Start. Now scroll down, click on Window Extensions. After click on Notepad. Notepad right click to More and click into Open File Location. Right click, Send to Desktop. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to understand adding Notepad as a shortcut on desktop. That is. This is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my video for latest update.